Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the doTERRA share guide. So the first thing you want to do is go to doTERRA.com, click on advocates, come down to empowered success. From here, I love these empowered success guides. There are multiples. Right now, today, we're going to talk about the share guide. Now, when you come here, you can see you can download them now. You can download them in Spanish. You can buy a single guide. You can buy a 10-pack. I always have multiples of these. Now, the other thing I love about doTERRA's Live, Share, Build, and Launch and Sales Guides are they give us some really great videos that can train us through the process. So let's just download it right now and I can take you through and kind of give you an overview of what this is like. So our share guide is used to really help aid people who want to host a doTERRA class. Page 1 talks just about how sharing can come so naturally to each one of us. And it's important that we have our hosts fill out this 20 people whose lives you really want to change. I also like them to self-declare whether or not they want to just empower people or just earn rewards or just create an income. Any one of those really helps us to get a clear picture, especially for specific people who are hosting classes who haven't said whether or not they want to build doTERRA, because if they are not interested in creating an income and they just want to earn products, then that tells us that we keep the enrollerships of those people. If they are interested in building a business, then everybody they invite, they get to keep the enrollership for the class. Okay, now this takes us through this 3 steps to invite people and how to go about doing that in a natural way. So I love it because this gives us some questions, it gives us some scripts, and it talks to us about really how to fill a class. Then from there, we like to create experiences. This is where we share essential oils through samples. It talks about some sample ideas and then gives us some sampling tips and also asks us to really get clear on our story, why essential oils are important to us. And this is important because when we are clear on our story, it's easier for us to share. So it's great to go through and answer some of these questions. Then we can be very clear with them as well about how to prepare and get people to classes. This takes us through a timeline, and we know that when we share with people samples that we need to follow up with them 2 days later. And then we also, when we follow up, want to have a class that we can invite them to. Don't forget to do your 48-hour phone call reminder and the 2 to 4 hour reminder on text right before your class. Then, of course, afterwards, we do our lifestyle overview with our live guide, and you can find that video right here in the upper right-hand corner of this video. Sometimes when we do classes, our hosts aren't interested in teaching. I do like to ask them to share their own personal essential oil stories or experiences throughout the class on and off. But this gives us a guide on how to run the class and how to invite people to enroll, and then how to support them. Finally, when people are hosting a class for us, they're not 100% sure they're ready to build a business. But this last page will show them just a small portion of our compensation plan and what they can earn if they decide that they want to do doTERRA as a business. So that's it. That's our share guide. I hope you utilize this. Don't forget that you can go through some of the videos that doTERRA has provided for us. And give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we will see you in our next one. Have a wonderful day. You are amazing.